Hey Monty, just wanted to show you real quick how to reset a student's test. So all the kids will be doing today is their safety tests. There's 4 of them total. The 3 hours that you'll be here, that's all they'll have to do. If they have all 4 of them done, they have to have 100%, but if they have all 4 of them done, they can just find some free work to do. Anyhow, you'll see I've got these 4 tabs open: general safety, bandsaw, table saw, and hand tools. Those are all the safety tests. You'll need to be in the responses side, which is right here. I'll click that, and I'll try to just have them in that spot. You'll want individual score. So if a kid tells you they didn't get 100%, you can reset the test for them. If you look right here, this student, he got 38 out of 38, so he doesn't need reset. You can use this drop down. It'll show you each student. We'll see if he got 100%. He did. Anyhow, so to reset a test, you'll click the delete responses, and then you'll hit yes. That will allow them to retake the test. But like I said, every student has to have 100%. So if they don't get 100%, you can go ahead and reset it that way. You'll need to ask them which test they're taking, whether it's general safety, bandsaw, drill press, table saw, radial arm saw, hand tools, combustible materials. I think most everybody are done with general safety and hand tools, but I'm not positive of that. So that's all there is to it. If you've got any questions, call me. I'll leave my number and my password to my computer with the computer. That way, if you've got questions, you can holler, and if my computer were to happen to log out, you can open it back up with my password.